guys, we're going to be looking at Nerf guns, starting with this one. It has a huge X on it. See? Well, from here it looks like an X. Just kidding. And you can do, wait. Got it. Okay, you can do this and then this. Then you shoot. You can aim from here and you get ammo from here. You can also take it off. You can take the scope off. Then it looks like a shotgun. Perfect. And then you can put it back on. It makes a lot of noise though. Next is this one. You shoot it. And then to reload, you go like that. Like as this. I just shot it. And then you shoot again. Well, it does have. Okay. So it has 6 ammo. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you can go like this. Look. And then you shoot. Boom. Okay. Oh, you need the Nerf darts. Now is one of my favorite Nerf guns. It's awesome. And it's a mega. Get to go like, and then reload, look. Okay. It has mega darts. They're huge. But if you get this yellow gun, then don't even try putting the scope on the mega because it's not going to work. Only scopes that fit them. This is what I got on Christmas. I got all of these on Christmas. And it says mega. And look. That's what it does. Okay. Next. Oh, that's real. Is this one. It's hard to shoot it. You just have to put the ball right there. You have to shoot it in a bear, but the bear is holding the camera. We'll use that in the next episode. What happened here? There's no ammo in this one. Oh, Captain America stole all of them. Okay. How does this thing shoot? Like that? Seriously? Seriously? My gosh, it's so hard.